Hello everyone, it's Karina. For this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some Valentine's mail, or better yet, I should say Galentine's mail from Emily. This is our first time swapping, so I'm super excited to share with you everything that she made. I will link her YouTube channel down below as well as her Instagram, so please subscribe to her channel and follow her on Instagram. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is her letter. And this is her cute little envelope. I love how she wrote my name on here. Her handwriting's beautiful. And then this is her card, and I did already read it. She's so sweet. This is how her box looks like. I love that she decorated the top. It says best friends, and that cute llama paper is adorable. The box is really cute. I love the box. I love how it's pink. It's just so fitting for Valentine's Day. And when you open it, she even decorated the inside of the box, and I love how she took the time to do that as well. And that says hi Karina, which is cute, and she just did a lot of layering, which is amazing. I did open the box already and I had to put everything back inside, but I didn't go through everything in detail because I wanted to do that on camera with you guys. But what we did is a advent type mail where we do a gift each day until the 14th. But yeah, look at all of this prettiness. I love pink. I just love Valentine's Day. So let's go ahead and jump right in and I'll show you what she made. I'm just gonna go ahead and take things out of the box one by one. I tried to do it in order, but I couldn't find the numbers on all of them, so I just started taking everything out. But look at all of the packaging. This is so exciting. Everything's just so pretty. I'm so glad that she asked to do a advent type mail because I had so much fun opening this. So this is day one. It looks like she made me this beautiful tag flipbook, and I love the paper that she used. You gotta let me know if you punched the hearts down there by yourself, or did the paper, was it already like that? Because I am loving it. Here's a little shaker heart on the back with some pink glitters. In this first pocket, I see that she did some stitching with some gold thread. I love a good stitching moments. And that paper, I think is from the Lala Love, which I don't have. It's so pretty. But yeah, and here she included 2 Polaroid cards and the envelopes as well. I think these are from Target. I remember I always wanted them, but for some reason I never bought them. So I'm so happy she shared her collection with me. She also made me this adorable Valentine's Day card for me to use. Love how she sewed these hearts together. I think that looks really pretty. So here is the back side, which includes a little pocket, and inside it looks like she made some handmade tags, which are just absolutely adorable. I totally forgot about the stapling technique, which I haven't done in forever, so I'm definitely going to start doing that again in my crafts because it just adds a cute little touch to your projects. And when I turn that over, you have this really cute decorative page with all of the layering, all of the touch of the bow and the rosette. And on this side is just as cute. I love that llama ephemera. It's so adorable. Here's another little pocket, and inside she gifted me a bunch of different ephemera pieces from different collections, and most of these I don't have, so thank you so much. I'm so excited about these. I love ephemera. It's probably one of my favorite craft things. But yeah, look at all these cute ephemera pieces. So that concludes this flip book. Let's go ahead and move on to day number 2, which is this right here. It's a pack of Valentine's Day ribbons, which I don't have. I love how she decorated the box as well. And this is where I got my days mixed up. I couldn't find number 3 when I was filming. I don't know why. And now that I'm editing this, I'm like, wow, Karina, it's just right there. But yeah, it was at this moment where I started getting all my days mixed up and everything was just out of order, but that's okay. But yeah, let's enjoy these handmade heart embellishments that she made. I love all the little details like the buttons and the tassels. Next up, I'm going to open day 4, and it's this bag with this beautiful bag topper that she made, and she did clip it on with a paper clip. That way I can go ahead and reuse it. I fell in love with these handmade bags that she made me. I think they're super cute. The paper that she used is actually one of my favorite patterns. She stitched all the ends with gold thread, which I love. And yeah, this is her first bag. Then there's the smaller one with the beautiful layering, and she did the same thing with the stitching but with black thread. And here is a look at the last bag. I love how she ripped the ends. Okay, so this one is day 5. It's a cute little crate box, and she painted it pink. It's so cute. So she gifted me this little jar of chunky glitter. And we have a handmade embellishment. I love how she reused the packaging. And inside, she made me this little baby rosette, and it's adorable. She gave me some chocolates, and yum yum yum, can't wait to eat these. There's also some comfy socks in here, which I definitely needed. I thought this was like a mini care package for me because I got my chocolates, my socks, and there's also some tea in there and some more chocolates. Like, girly, I'm good to go. I almost forgot to share with you this embellishment that she made. It's another rosette made out of vellum, and it's just so cute. I love the sequin mix that's inside there, and I love the stitching to this as well. I still need to play around with my sewing machine. I only know how to do like the little straight lines. I'm really loving this style with the zigzags. Definitely gonna be testing that out. And this is me realizing that number 3 was right there all along. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up. Inside, she gifted me these adorable little shaker cards, which are so fun to shake. In this bag, she made me some handmade library cards. Look how cute these are. In this one, we have a little tag and then the library card itself. I love that tag, by the way. And then in this one, I love the little tassel that she included on the end. They're both just so adorable. I love this bag, it's so cute. But yeah, here is day number 8, and inside she made me a little heart-shaped ornaments for Valentine's Day, and look at the layering inside and the little shaker. It's so pretty. Here is day number 7. She made me this really cool vinyl bag. This is the first one that I've received so far, and I absolutely love it. I have yet to try this, and look at that really pretty sequins mix inside. I've never seen those black with white polka dot sequins before. And yeah, I love the hot pink stitching around the bag. I think it really stands out. She gifted me these really cute paper clips with the tassels on them, and then a set of these Maggie Holmes flowers. And this is the packaging for day number 6. And inside is this beautiful little notebook. It's so crazy because I've been looking for a notebook to use for this year, and I think this is gonna be the one. I think it's so adorable and just very simple. So thank you so much, Emily. I love it. This is how number 9 looks like, and inside we have some more goodies. Got some glittery gems and some cute bows. So this is number 11. Let me go ahead and share with you the packaging first. And ooh, look how cute that is. I love the wrapping paper that she used. And inside, she gifted me this Maggie Holmes ephemera pack, which is something that I don't have as well. So I'm super excited about that. Moving on to day number 14. I thought this was the cutest idea ever. If you don't know what this is, it's a little gum container, and so she reused the packaging and decorated it all pretty. I'm definitely going to be stealing this idea from her. It's funny because inside it still smells minty, which I do not mind at all. Inside she made me this handmade memory decks card, which is layered so beautifully. And look how perfect it holds the memory decks card. It's like it was meant for it. I don't know, I just thought this idea was so cute. And this is the last package that I have to open. It's day 12. I know this wasn't in order, but that concludes the end of the 14 days. I absolutely love this wrapping paper. I'm so sad that I had to rip it. So this is what was inside this Good Vibes crepe paper ephemera pack, and ooh girl, you spoiled me. I love this so much. So that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and a big thank you to Emily for swapping with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to her channel down below, and also follow her on Instagram. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.